So, what's next for Refrizan? What's next for me? Let's keep it simple. Let's keep it straightforward. Aku tak nak panjangkan video ni sebab benda ni kecil saja. And walaupun kecil, it still has a big impact on my career. First of all, I want to say thank you so much kepada mereka yang datang event kami last weekend dekat Space Red Puchong untuk Apex Wrestling Edge of Glory. Without the fans, kita ni tak dapat nak continue what we love to do the most. Thank you so much guys. You guys are the most passionate fans in Southeast Asia, maybe in the world. Aku exaggerate sikit lah sebab you guys deserve every single thanks from us. You guys are the most awesome fan in the world. Right. Tapi kan, I want to talk about the fans, especially the fans. Every time aku keluar to the ring, aku keluar to the curtain, go to the ring, and then there's some certain fans in the crowd started to chant or started to sing this one song. It's been going on for few shows, and it goes like this: Refrizan. You guys know who you are. Thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much guys for, creating my own entrance team even though I don't have one. And thank you so much guys, I appreciate it. If aku tak boleh nak tunjuk tau depan-depan yang aku macam thank you so much for singing my, creating my own team. Thank you so much. Tapi itulah, I am eternally grateful for you, the fans, yang buatkan, cheer me up, give me more energy untuk buat benda ni. Imagine guys, 12 matches in one night, and you guys there chanting, booing me. Even one of you guys scolded me. Thank you so much. I don't take it personal, but I know it's fine. I'm already used to it. Thank you so much guys. It make me so happy, make me feel so energized to do what I love to do the most. Thank you so much guys. Okay, enough of that. Me and a couple of guys will be heading to Kuching Sarawak next weekend untuk event Muay Thai dekat Kuching Sarawak. Event tu aku tak tahu lagi nama dia, tapi dah confirm. And aku nak cakap dengan korang, siapa yang duduk area sekitar Kuching Sarawak, please come down and watch us next weekend. It's gonna be a star-studded punya match. Selanjutnya star-studded punya match. So you guys don't want to miss it. Speaking of Sarawak, I will go to Kuching next weekend untuk Laksa Sarawak. Let's go guys. I love Laksa Sarawak so much. Sampai sekarang I'm a huge fan of food. When it comes to food, kalau especially Sarawak kan, mesti aku cari Laksa Sarawak. Whenever I touch down Kuching ke Bintulu ke kan, I will go find Laksa Sarawak. That's the main goal. Sebab apa aku travel? That's the main goal tau. Laksa Sarawak. I'm a huge fan. So, don't add me guys. Anyways guys, moving on to the next punya topic. Okay, last year aku ada post on my social media yang aku akan pergi travel to the States. Disebabkan the current issues in the world right now, aku tak dapat nak travel. Perang sini sana, and it's not safe for me to travel. Kalau aku nak pergi to the States, I need to go to different countries like Dubai ke apa ke. Kan nak lalu Dubai kan, nak pergi States kan kena lalu Dubai transit lah. So I don't want to take the risk. Aku tak nak get stranded in either of this country or in the States. US visa dengan travel ni aku terpaksa put on hold sampailah benda ni reda betul-betul, baru aku pergi sana untuk do a couple of shows and training at the same time. It is what it is guys, so play it safe. Okay, last one before I wrap it up. Sekarang ni aku tengah eye on different wrestling promotions outside of Malaysia, mainly dekat Australia, UK and Japan and Mexico. So hopefully aku dapat go to one of these countries and improve myself dari segi refereeing. Yeah, pray for me guys. Aku excited sangat sebab I want to tell my what happened during last weekend. So thank you so much guys for listening. And I think that's it for tonight. And aku nak tidur, aku penat lagi ni. Have a good day ahead. Selamat bekerja. And I'll see you guys next weekend dekat Kuching Sarawak. And kalau tak, on the next APAC Wrestling News show lah. Alright, take care guys. Good night. Bye.